Hello friends, welcome to Talk Restaurant nestled in the heart of One Golden Mile near Hyatt Hotel. This hidden gem is a must-visit destination for foodies and anyone looking for a great dining experience. The vibe is on point with the modern and chic decor that sets the tone for a fantastic meal. The menu at Talk Restaurant is a masterclass in flavors and textures. From creamy risottos to delicate prawns, freshly baked flatbreads, and creative cocktails, there is something for every palate. As you step inside the One Golden Mile, you will be greeted by a breathtaking atmosphere that's perfect for casual brunches or intimate dinners. The ambience is breathtaking with stunning views that will leave you mesmerized. It's perfect for a night out with friends or a special dinner date. The vibe at One Golden Mile is reportedly on point, ticking all the right boxes. Whether you are a foodie, a date night enthusiast, or just looking for a great spot to catch up with friends, Talk Restaurant is the perfect destination. So come over, grab a seat, and get ready to indulge in some amazing food and company. This place is at the first floor. The exterior view of the Talk Restaurant is breathtaking. It has outdoor sitting area as well as indoor sitting area. Indoor AC sitting area has a lovely bar. We decided to order some mocktails and cocktails first. Look how their cocktails and mocktails are creatively crafted by the bartenders. Now it's time to check their exquisite magazine type menu. They levy 10% service charge with government taxes as applicable. We ordered some veg and non-veg starters at first. In starters, we ordered tempura fish tacos at 745 rupees, chicken karaage at 545 rupees, Campbell's pilpil prawns at 765 rupees, etc. The Campbell's pilpil prawns was very flavorful. Tempura fish tacos were beautiful in presentation and a must try here. Wild mushroom risotto, which was at 825 rupees, was a must for veg options. After the starters, now it's the time to order main dishes. We ordered chicken kasu curry stone pot at 895 rupees, Thai curry stone pot at 895 rupees, classic fish and chips at 995 rupees. Chicken kasu curry and Thai green stone pot were very fulfilling. Their truffle mushroom gyoza, which were of 625 rupees, were very scrumptious. Their Thai curry stone pot with blue rice was very appetizing. For dessert, we choose Lotus Biscoff cheesecake, which was very yummy. Now it's time to exit. Thanks for joining me on this culinary journey to talk at One Golden Mile. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more foodie adventures. Thanks for watching.